On the count of 3, raise your boxes. 1, 2, 3, lift.
Yes, yes.
Only one thing in your boxes today, a classic meat grinder.
I know that we're putting protein in there. I don't really care what kind, but we're dealing with meat today. I got a smile on my face.
Powered by good old-fashioned elbow grease.
Oh, crap. I got my meat grinder as a wedding gift. It's still in the box.
You're going to use that grinder to prepare the ultimate Canadian crowd pleaser, a burger.
Burgers? Awesome. I come from beef country.
But we're not talking about your everyday backyard burgers. We want you to make something creative and unexpected. The most delicious thing we've ever tasted between 2 buns.
To do that, you get to use this. You have bison, wild boar, muskox, lamb, pork shoulder, kangaroo, turkey, and duck breast.
Where's my beef, man?
We want you to think outside the box. Maybe even outside the bun.
Behind.
5 minutes left, guys. 5 minutes remaining. You need to start dressing the plates, putting the garnishes on, and getting ready for presentation.
Oh, that foie gras is good.
Hot, 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 hot.
Fantastic. Oh my God, I can eat this every day.
You always panic in the last minute.
Just the way they handle that knife, it just makes me... Look at that. Oh, God, medic, big medic. Oh, my God. Red knife just slipped right... Oh, God. Oh, God, that looks serious. Both thumb and index.
Dripping blood everywhere. That's just the most humiliating thing in a cooking competition.
Can't finish now. No, I can't finish now.
10 seconds left. 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hands up. Stop cooking.
After observing and sampling throughout the challenge, the judges will now take one final look to select the top dishes for tasting.
Tastes better than it looks.
Generally, we were impressed by your ambition and creativity.
I look at my plate. It's stunning.
There were several burgers that really stood up, and we want to examine them further. One of the home cooks we call forward will get a huge advantage in the upcoming Elimination Challenge.
The first burger we'd like to see used a bold mix of proteins. It was creatively plated and named. Dale, please bring up your plate.
I was really doubted from the team challenge. It feels so amazing to be put in the front.
Hopping sour pork pouch.
Pork and kangaroo burger, baby cherry tomatoes, and slices of the apple.
Kangaroo would have been one of the proteins that I would have skipped. But who knows? Well, the flavors jumps out at you in a good way.
Thank you, Chef.
Great presentation. The kangaroo stands up. That's a hop-in burger. Thank you, Dale.
Never seen apple used in a burger before. Is that pickled in something, or?
Some apple cider vinegar just to keep it from turning color.
Very smart. Very delicious. If you keep cooking like this, you'll be the one to beat.
Thank you, Chef.
Thank you.
The second burger we like to try gets an A for ambition. Its name promises big flavors. Please step forward. Josh.
Josh has some skills, and he can really put together flavors really well, and that freaks me out a bit.
The umami bomb. The meat's a mix of wild boar, bison, and foie gras with a togarashi mayo, truffled oyster mushroom with a crispy fried duck's egg.
It blends quite nicely. It's a little bit greasy. Overall, it's a very nice dish.
Thank you, Chef.
Smells rich. What's gonna cut through all this richness?
The togarashi mayo.
Very nice.
Thank you, Chef.
Love the name, and certainly from the descriptive you've given, big and bold and daring.
Exactly how I like my burgers.
Good texture on the burger and seasoned really well. It's the kind of burger you'd expect to see at a fine dining restaurant.
Appreciate that, Chef. I feel pretty relieved to get the judging out of the way. I mean, the comments are really positive. They definitely saw what I was going for. They definitely tasted what I was going for.
The third home cook on our list played it a little safer, but their cooking instincts have put them at the forefront of this competition. Kayla, please bring your oinkin' duck burger to the front.
I'm just praying to God that they love it. Hi, chefs.
Tell me about the burger meat.
A whole duck breast, pork shoulder, crispy fried onion, melted aged cheddar, and a warm mushroom salad.
Perfect, the way the fat came through here.
Oh, good.
So tell me about the inspiration for this beautiful burger creation.
My boyfriend's obsessed with burgers, so I really channeled my burger instincts today.
That makes me weak in the knees. Thank you.
Kayla, you're up here again.
I am.
There's a lot of meat. How many boyfriends do you have?
Just one, I promise.
It's quite a mouthful, but it's a great mouthful.
Thank you, Chef. I am on cloud 9 right now.
Generally, in the Mystery Box Challenge, we throw the spotlight on 3 outstanding dishes. But today, we've decided to try 4.
I have 1 out of 3 chance, and there's a 4th person coming up. That dwindles my chances of being a #1.
The home cook that we'll be calling out next used a single protein in a clever way.
Come on. I know it's me. It's gonna be my name. They're gonna call me.
Mike, please come up.
Yeah.
The black sheep burger. I've got lamb and then onion jam. Goat cheese spread, and then I actually toss the arugula and tomato pulp and lemon juice.
This, to me, is a well-thought-out burger. The ingredients you chose work together very well. Classic, great combinations. Nice to see you coming out on top.
Thank you.
You know it lacks something.
What's that, sir?
A nice glass of wine. I love it.
Thank you, Chef.
Now we need a moment to discuss.
In terms of balance of taste.
It was still delicious.
Yeah.
I would want to eat the whole thing now.
Yeah.
So far, I've definitely been the bridesmaid, not the bride.
Everyone that I'm standing there with is out to get me at this point.
Very tender, very juicy, texture-wise.
They're taking way too long to decide right now.
They were all very good.
They're all very...
I think I might win this challenge, actually. I'm the only one who didn't put every single farm animal in their burger.
So we all agree.
All 4 burgers were fantastic. There was one, however, that stood out from the herd.
And this could be a first-place finish, finally.
If I don't get the advantage, I could really be screwed.
And that burger belonged to... Kayla.
Thank you.
Good for her for winning the challenge, but I'm not worried about Kayla.
Thank you.
I definitely don't think she's going to be coming after me or anything, so...
For winning today's Mystery Box Challenge, you get to join us in the MasterChef Pantry. Follow us.
A lot of people underestimated me when I came into this. I think I'm really showing the other home cooks I have what it takes, and I'm here to win it.